Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Learn to Code. Okay, today what I'm going to be covering is how to create a React app. So in order to create a React app, you will need the following. Well, you're going to need Node on your system. So first thing you can do is just type in Node.js and go to the Node website and download the appropriate version for your system. I've already got it, so I'm not going to do this step. It's straightforward. You just click the link, follow the instructions, and once you've got your node installed, you can just well, I'm going to go into my desktop and into my tutorials folder, and nothing in there, it's empty. Okay, so here what we can do is type in node-v and check the version. So I've got version 10 point something, 10.19 I believe. you need npx to create a React app, and with version 5 and above I think you get npx. So as long as you got above version 5 you will have npx. So the following command you need to type in to create an app, React app: npx create -react -app. And then what you do is just give your app a name. So I'm just gonna call it my app. Yeah, that sounds okay. So once I press enter, this should start creating my app. Let's make this bigger so you can see. I'm just gonna pause the video and restart once this has completed. Okay people, the installation is complete. Now all we have to do is go into the folder and we can see my app is there. So once I seed it into my app and just list the contents, we can see we've got a few files in there. So let's just start this app with the following command: npm start, and that should load whatever we've got in there. So here we are. So that was pretty quick. Normally this takes about maybe 15-20 seconds. Okay, so this is the standard app that's come onto our desktop. So the next thing I do is I generally go into the source folder. This is all the structure of the app. I go into app.js, and what I do is get rid of everything between the header tags. So what else? Get rid of this logo because we don't need it no more. It's just clogging up our system. So get rid of this image, delete, and go into app.css and get rid of all the CSS. Okay, so now if we go and we check, we've just got a blank screen now. So this is basically my boiler point, my skeleton. This is how I work with React app. So the next thing we want to do is just sort the structure out, because we can either now create a single page application or we can create an app with multiple pages. So in either case we can need to create another folder called components, and also another folder called pages. You may not need this folder if it's a single page application, but I'll just create it anyway. So that's basically how you create a React app. In the next video I'll show you how to create a component and import it into app.js and use it and make it appear on the screen, and we'll go step by step. If there's anything you want me to cover, just leave it in the comments below, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you later.